Most traditionally, people plant a tree. So if you've gone out and bought your tree, put it in the ground and watch it grow. You'll need a shovel. We have a lot of high quality shovels. These are better for a perennial garden or a vegetable bed. First thing you want to do is clean up your debris. You're going to take your leaf pile and you're going to mulch it with your lawnmower, make it small, put it in a nice area where nobody's going to be walking through there, and start composting. Composting is important for the environment. It creates a lot of earthworm activity, and you will be able to use that soil in the future. If you have weeds in your driveway or your walkway, vinegar is the way to go. Once a month, an application of this, as long as it doesn't touch your plants or your lawn, you will have a weed-free, pretty much to the point of no weeds existence. It's time to start seeding. We have several different types of seed in stock. Jonathan Green is a very good product. We also carry Scott's, and we have a few other blends that will help your seed choices become easy. You want to amend your beds with chicken manure, blood meal, which is high in nitrogen, alfalfa meal, bat guano, and a lot of these, if you look at the labels, this is a fish fertilizer which you mix with water and you can put on your perennials, your veggies. It has a OMRI label, which means it is certified organic, and that means that nothing non-organic has been incorporated into the use and make of that product. We have that on the Coast of Maine amendment soil product, which you can use in your veggie garden or around your perennials to help give them a jump start into vigorous growth this season. We have Fox Farm organic plant food, and we have Job's Organics, which are also OMRI certified. When you get to the part where critters are around, organics are the way to go. These are both organic products that will deter mice from your property, and you can use them in the house, even in your vegetable drawer, because they're all organic. Hornet and wasp spray that is basically peppermint, makes them go away. We have mole products that are basically castor oil based, and they will make the moles want to go away. Organic, not going to hurt you, not going to hurt your plants or vegetables. Same with the Repels All. We have a lot of Bonide products. I love Captain Jack's Dead Bug because it will take care of almost anything that is attacking your roses or your veggies. Neem oil is great for covering scale if it happens to come on your plants, and we carry plenty of this. And we have a garden fungicide from Safer. So all of these are organic products. We have solar lights for the garden path, so you're not using electricity. We have bird feeders and food and hoses and everything you might need for a seed starting adventure. Again, here's the Coast of Maine seed starting soil. We have the peat pots. We have a huge array of seeds. And we have a bunch of mixes for wildflowers. And these are great for pollinators. We need to keep the pollinators, the bees, the hummingbirds, the butterflies coming to our plants and helping us to have a better, healthier environment. Another thing that Country Paint does is we will accept up to 5 cans a month of loosely swirling paint in used cans that are the original cans. And so you can drop those off here once a month, up to 5 gallons. We also believe in keeping our plastics down in the environment. So we will take a small kitchen-sized sack of household plastic that is loose, like the bags that you see here, the Scott toilet paper, the bags you get at the grocery store for your vegetables. And after you've done all this work in the garden, you probably need to put some aloe vera on for your sunburn. We also carry a wide array of bug sprays that are organic as well. I want you to take a look down here because we're talking about recycling and replenishing and refurbishing. This is my coworker's artwork. Now this is a brick, but it's a great doorstop. It's a great garden display on the patio. And so you can take things from your home that are not useful anymore and repurpose them. And the last thing is to remember to turn off the lights when you leave the room. Have a great spring.